respected principal, teachers, my dear students. I know only Thoda Nepal.
We are fine.
I would not understand anything so far. Anyway, Thoda. So, this program is with the railway debate competition. Debating is very important because it will inspire others, it will develop you. The educational purpose is to develop yourself. And one thing, I have traveled so many times from entire part of Nepal. Kathmandu से नेपाल के बस में several times I have traveled. One time ऊपर हिट किया, पूरा ब्लड आया, faint किया. Then I thought died because इधर पूरा ब्लड आया. Then after reaching Nepal, I have searched for railway and it is already there, already plan is there. That is the reason for the journal published entirely for economic growth of Nepal with 18 articles. One chapter is on East-West Railway and one chapter is on Metro, Kathmandu Ring Road Metro. So East-West Railway only 943 kilometers. If Nepal was a part of India or if Nepal was a part of China, minimum 25 years back East-West Railway will be there. Agree? It is very, you can go to Chitwan daily, you can go to Nepalgunj daily, day scholar also. So either you can go to Pokhara. Pokhara. Anyway, I am not speaking too much. So within 20-25 days, Narendra MODIJI will come for the oath ceremony of Nepal, Naya Prime Minister, definitely. And Nepal, अकेला थोड़ा मुश्किल है, but everybody can unite to 200 kilometers India के लिए कुछ नहीं, 200 kilometers ऐसा. Anyway, we can discuss, you can try for that. And Kathmandu was the second polluted city of the world after Dhaka 2 years back. Now, now who is the first position? Kathmandu got the first position, most polluted city of the world in most of the pollution indices. So if a metro is there only 28 kilometers, that position will be minimum 10. So Kathmandu ring road में metro अच्छा है. Then now Talwa से airport तक only 16 kilometers.